Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can reset the camera settings. So this is very useful if, for example, you've been playing around with the camera settings, you've made some adjustments that you're not quite happy with, and you want to reset the camera settings back to the default original settings. This is the video for you to do that. So it's real simple to do. Just simply go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So open up the camera application and then select those four little pins there. And then to the left here, select the little settings icon, that little round gear. And then simply scroll down, scroll all the way down the list. And down here you will see the option reset settings. So just go ahead and select the option and then go ahead and hit reset. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And now your camera settings have gone back to the original default settings. That's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.